Hi everybody, and welcome back. Today's prompt comes to us from subscriber Schnörkel Fenja. Thank you so much for participating. Today's prompt word is rainbow snail cookies, and I had to incorporate that into an illustration, and so I decided to use my oil pastels and cover a whole sheet in as many colour oil pastels as I have, and then paint over that using my black gouache paint. And now I'm using my compass, the sharp point of it, to draw into the paper and create the snail cookies. You can just about see that they are all different colours.